In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear formatting in Google Sheets. Whether you're dealing with data that someone else has handed to you, or you've simply changed your mind about the design choices you made on your spreadsheet, clearing formatting can be a very useful tool. It helps you start fresh, ensuring that you can easily read and analyze your data without the styling distractions. So let's dive right in and make sure your Google Sheet looks exactly how you want it. First, you'll want to open up your Google Sheets document with the specific spreadsheet you're working on. Make sure you have it ready in front of you. Now, take a moment to find the cells that you want to clear the formatting from. This is where you need to concentrate, because this step is crucial to making sure you only affect the parts of your spreadsheet that you intend to. Once you've zeroed in on those specific cells, you're going to highlight them. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the cells, or by clicking on the first cell, holding down the Shift key, and then clicking on the last cell in the range you want to select. With those cells now highlighted, let's move over to a key part of the Google Sheets interface, the Format menu. In the top menu bar, you'll see an option labeled Format. Go ahead and click on that. This menu holds a variety of formatting options, but today we're keeping it simple by just clearing everything. After clicking on Format, a drop-down menu will appear. Scan this menu and look for the option that says Clear Formatting. It's usually near the bottom of the menu, so make sure you scroll through if you don't see it at first. Click on Clear Formatting, and as soon as you do, you'll notice an immediate change in your spreadsheet's appearance. The cells you highlighted will now be stripped of any previous formatting. This means that any bold text, italicization, cell coloration, or different fonts applied will revert to the default settings. Voila! Your once messy or overly styled spreadsheet is now a blank canvas, ready for a fresh set of eyes and possibly new formatting. Remember that clearing formatting doesn't affect the actual data within the cells, so your numbers, dates, and text will remain intact. This allows you to maintain the integrity of your data while giving you the flexibility to start over with a new style that meets your current analysis or presentation needs. And there you have it. In just a few simple clicks, you've mastered the art of clearing formatting in Google Sheets. Feel free to try this out anytime you're dealing with a cluttered or confusing spreadsheet.